This is Jace with Rapid Scan 3D. I'm going to go ahead and use this scan data captured with the Leo Artec scanner and build a mesh that can be flattened in Rhino. So basically, scanned this car seat, processed it to all the way to a Smart Fusion, and then we are going to cut out the section and build and flatten it in Rhino to then make a flat mesh to put a possible car seat cover.
Right click, duplicate,
exact dimensions right down to this. I like to keep a little extra, so we'll add that back in. Now we're going to inverse selection, boom, delete. There's our part. We don't need the back part, but if we did, we could use it. This is deleted, erase, and there's our piece. I like it. I'm going to go ahead and trans tools, so editor again, transform, get it into a auto position. We're going to rotate it to flatten the world. There's our piece. We're going to accept the transform. We're going to right click and say export. Export mesh, Toyota seat. Alright, here we are in Rhino, and we can now import the seat right here, seat back lower. Say open, say import. Object's pretty much in space, it's already selected. Go to surface, surface flattening, select the object again, and click enter. This is a Rhino version 8. This is an evaluation version, but it works just fine for this process. It's in process of squishing. It is almost done. It's pretty fast. It will be done in just a quick amount of time, and you can do larger pieces of geometry. This is just a quick test, and there is the object already squished. What I can do now is I can select the object that I don't want, middle click, hide it, and there's my flattened mesh. I can then select it again, which is a heavy NURBS surface, and what's going to happen is you're going to export it as a mesh to either lower the resolution inside of Artec Studio, or you can lower the res inside of here on Rhino, or export to AccuMark or your other sewing system. The object is selected, file, export selected. I'm going to click a standard default. I already named it. I will do it again. Seat back flattened remesh export. I'm just going to call it number 2. I'll save it. Save, and successfully saved. It's probably pretty heavy if you need to decimate it, but here's the real point. It is completely flattened, and you can actually do the alignment. Looks like this, maybe here. Say align one more. Doesn't like it, but it's close. You can then do a little more adjustment here, maybe here, maybe here, fine, pretty close, but we know it's close in position. Then go back, close the line, and you have a part that is completely flat, and you can cut that material out and place it over the top of your scan data. Completely flat mesh. And there's our edge. You actually can see the edge to cut. Thank you.